Hello students, in this video we are going to solve x power 3 plus y power 3. This is equals to 7 and x square plus y square plus x plus x times y, this is equals to 4. Here we will find out the value of x and y both are belongs to real number. Let us consider this is equation number first and this is equation number second. Now let us consider x plus y, this is equals to m, and x into y, this is equals to n. Then here if we take square both side, then x plus y whole square, this is equals to m square. In left hand side, x plus y whole square is x square plus y square plus 2xy, this is equals to m square, and we know that x times y, this is equals to n. X square plus y square plus 2 times x into y is replaced by n. So here n, this is equals to m square. Now value of x square plus y square, this is equals to m square minus 2 times n. Now x plus y, this is equals to m. If we take cube both side, in left hand side x cube plus y cube plus 3xy is multiplied by x plus y, this is equals to m cube. Here x cube plus y cube plus 3 times x into y is replaced by n. Then here n, x plus y is replaced by m. Then here m, this is equals to m cube. Now value of x cube plus y cube, this is equals to m cube minus 3m times n. Equation first is x cube plus y cube. We know that x cube plus y cube is m cube minus 3m times n, this is equals to 7, and x square plus y square is replaced by m square minus 2n, m square minus 2n, x plus y is replaced by m. Then here plus m plus x into y is replaced by n. Then here n, this is equals to 4. This implies m square plus m minus 2n plus n, that is minus n, this is equals to 4. Now m cube minus 3m n, this is equals to 7, and m square plus m minus n, this is equals to 4. Here let us consider this is equation number third and this is equation number 4. If we multiplied equation number 4 by 3m, this implies equation number third is same, m cube minus 3m n, this is equals to 7, and equation number fourth is 3m cube plus 3m square minus 3m n, this is equals to 12m. If we subtract this equation from this, then here minus minus plus minus m cube minus 3m cube, that is minus 2m cube, minus 3mn, and this is plus 3mn. This and this is cancel out. Then here minus 3m square, and this is equals to 7 minus 12m. Now look carefully this expression. If we take all the expression in same side, then 2m cube plus 3m square minus 12m plus 7, and this is equals to 0. Here 2m cube, this 3m square is same as minus 2m square plus 5m square, minus 12m is same as minus 5m minus 7m plus 7, this is equals to 0. These two terms, if we take common 2m square, then here m minus 1. If we take common 5m, then m minus 1. If we take common minus 7, then m minus 1, and this is equals to 0. Now m minus 1, m minus 1, m minus 1 is common, m minus 1 is common, then 2m square plus 5m minus 7, and this is equals to 0. Now we know that if a into b, this is equals to 0, this implies a is equals to 0 or b is equals to 0. If we apply this rule here, then m minus 1, this is equals to 0, 2m square plus 5m minus 7, this is equals to 0. Here value of m is 1, but here this is quadratic equation. In terms of m, we will apply first middle term split and then find out the value of m. Then here 2m square, 5 times m is same as plus 7 times m minus 2 times m minus 7, this is equals to 0. Here look carefully these two terms. If we take common m, then here 2m plus 7, and here look carefully, then minus 1 is common, then 2 times m plus 7, and this is equals to 0. If we take common 2m plus 7, 2m plus 7, 2m plus 7 is common, then here m minus 1, and this is equals to 0. If we apply this rule again, then we can say 2m plus 7, this is equals to 0, or m minus 1, this is equals to 0. Here value of m is minus 7 over 2, or value of m is 1. So we have value of m is 1 or minus 7 over 2, because m is equals to 1 is repeated, so that's why m is equals to take only one time, and second value of m is minus 7 over 2. Now if m is equals to 1, and we know that m square plus m minus n, this is equals to 4, then here value of n is m square plus m minus 4. N is equals to, m is replaced by 1, then 1 square is 1, plus m is replaced by 1, then here 1 minus 4, then n is equals to 2 minus 4, then value of n is minus 2. So we have, if m is equals to 1, then n is equals to minus 2. Now if m is equals to minus 7 over 2, and we know that n is equals to m square plus m minus 4. Then n, this is equals to m is replaced by minus 7 over 2. Then here minus 7 over 2 bracket power 2. This m is replaced by minus 7 over 2 minus 4. Then n, this is equals to minus 7 square is 49 over 4 minus 7 over 2 minus 4. Now n is equals to, if you solve this expression, then you will get 19 over 4. Then value of m is minus 7 over 2 and value of n is 19 over 4. Let us consider this is case first and this is case second. Here m is equals to 1 and we know that m is x plus y. So here x plus y, this is equals to 1, and n is replaced by x into y. Then here x into y, this is equals to minus 2. X, this y is replaced by 1 minus x. Then here 1 minus x, and this is equals to minus 2. X is multiplied by 1, then we get x. X is multiplied by minus x, then we get minus x square, and this is equals to minus 2. If we take all the expression in same side, then x square minus x minus 2, and this is equals to 0. This is quadratic equation, x square minus x minus 2, and this is equals to 0. Now we will apply middle term split and then find out the value of x. Then x square minus x is same as minus 2x plus x minus 2, and this is equals to 0. Then look carefully these two terms. If we take common x, then here x minus 2 and here x minus 2, and we know that x minus 2 is common. If we take x minus 2 is common, then x plus 1, this is equals to 0. Now if we apply this rule, if a into b, this is equals to 0, this implies a is equals to 0 or b is equals to 0. If we apply this rule, then here we can say x minus 2, this is equals to 0, or x plus 1, this is equals to 0. Then here value of x is 2 and here value of x is minus 1. If x is equals to 2, then y is equals to 1 minus x, and y is equals to 1 minus x is replaced by 2, then value of y is minus 1. And if x is equals to minus 1, y is equals to 1 minus x, and y is equals to 1 minus x is replaced by minus 1, then y is 2. Now solve case second. Here m is equals to minus 7 over 2 and we know that m is x plus y, then x plus y, this is equals to minus 7 over 2, and n is replaced by x into y. Then here x into y, this is equals to 19 over 4. This implies here y is equals to minus 7 over 2 minus x. Then here x, this y is replaced by minus 7 over 2 minus x, and this is equals to 19 over 4. If this x is multiplied inside the bracket, then minus 7 over 2 times x minus x square, and this is equals to 19 over 4. Now if you solve this, then you will get 4x square plus 14x plus 19, this is equals to 0. This is quadratic equation. Here first we will check discriminant of this quadratic equation. Because students, here we will talk about only real solutions. Quadratic equation is 4x square plus 14x plus 19. This is equals to 0, and we know that formula of discriminant is d is equals to b square minus 4ac. D is equals to b is replaced by 14 square minus 4. Value of a is 4 and value of c is 14. Then here 14 square is 196 minus 4 times 4 is 16 times 14. Then here 196 minus 16 is multiplied by 14. Then you will get 304, and this number is negative. So that's why here x does not belongs to real number. So it means, students, here we have only two solutions. If x is equals to 2, then value of y is minus 1, and second value is if x is equals to minus 1, then value of y is 2. Students, this is our final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.